welcome back to my channel. So today I will be potting up. There's a lot of water on my cart because it's been raining a lot, but today I will be potting up this beauty right here. She's been getting tons of rain because I left her in the front porch where in an area where she actually gets rain, so I left her up there. So I'm gonna pull her out. I already showed this one when I purchased it at Home Depot. She was $7.98, and it says crocodile plant, and then it says Aloe brevifolia, I don't know, something like that. I hope that I can take her out without causing her any damage. I really like her. She's really pretty. She's very like minty, light green, blue. Everyone might see it different, so I'm going to try to pull her out. Gosh, okay, she has a lot of roots. Wow, I did not expect that. So I had plans for her to being in a smaller pot, but we'll see what we're gonna get here. Guys, we're only 12 days away from fall. 12 days. I'm excited. Okay. I can feel lots of the roots, you know, just ripping off. I mean, that's fine. She's way more established than I guess I thought. I just didn't think she would have these big roots. She has tons of babies. Yeah, I won't be able to use the pot that I initially was thinking for her. I can already see. So here, I live in Florida, and they are starting schools for everyone here where I live on the 21st of September. I know some other places they've started, and my daughters, they started school on August 11, and so far, thankfully, no incidents. So yeah, that's good. They check their temperature before they even walk into the building, and as soon as they check their I can't talk. As soon as they check their temperature, they also put hand sanitizer in their hands. So yeah, okay. So I think that's pretty clean. Some soil right here. Some dead leaves already. Okay, so now I have to rethink my pot situation. This soil is really good. I'm going to mix it with my dry soil. It's a lot of roots. Yeah, so let me go find another pot now because my plans changed. There you go. She's so pretty. Right there, precious. Hold on, guys. Okay, I found a pot. It's not the, I don't know, prettiest pot that I can find, but it will do. My hands are all dirty. I mixed in a bunch of the soil that it came in with my soil, which was very dry. Now I gotta clean my hands. I do not like touching a plant with dirty hands. Then I get the soil all over the plant. Okay, my nails are full of dirt, but whatever. Let's see here. It's got a lot of root. Gosh, this piece does not want to come out. It's a little brown, thick leaf here, but I can't get it out. Oh well. Just a piece of it came out. Anyways, I don't pull out the pups because I feel that they're too small, and I think they need to get a little bit bigger. Okay. I try not to touch it too much because it does have some farina, which is like the natural sunblock, gosh, that it produces to protect itself from the sun. This soil, I don't know if it's a good idea to mix it with the other one. It doesn't want to really move. Make sure that I'm pushing the roots down. And there's people playing basketball and they get really passionate. You hear them yelling. It's scary though sometimes because you don't know if it's an argument or they're just playing. And it is adults that are playing. I hope it's not too dark. It is, I think, 7 o'clock already. So I have been enjoying a show. I hope I don't say the name wrong of the show, and it's called like When the Heart Calls, I think it is. It's on Netflix. It's a very wholesome show. It takes place it starts in 1961. So it's just, how way back in the days, the way things were done, a more simpler life, and I'm really enjoying it. It has a lot of seasons because I've never watched it, and I'm just really enjoying it. I'm in season 3, and yeah, I'm enjoying it. So yeah, it's just a very wholesome show. Okay, I think that's it for that. I don't want to keep adding soil, and I think it's fine. I gotta clean it up though because it just looks too messy for me. Let's see if I can push her to look a little bit more straight. I mean, even though that's how she is anyways, because she's got pups on the other side pushing her this way, so it's fine. So that's that, and then I have another aloe that's been sitting here. The pot broke. The initial pot that I had her on broke because the whole thing fell. So I've just been watching her and telling myself that I need to pot her. I just threw her in here. I am going to pot her in there. So yeah. Let's see. I do want to clean her up though. If you recall, this is one that I saved a long time ago. She got mealybugs. So yeah. These leaves can be tough to remove if you're not like peeling them, like, how do I say, in a circle. So I might not, I don't know, I might need to get some scissors or something, because they can be tough and they won't want to budge. See, like this one, but I don't think I have any scissors nearby. So let me just go get that real quick. I watched a new one. I've never really watched any shows like that, but I don't know. There was a new show that just went onto Netflix, and I can't remember the name, but obviously it's only one season because it just started. But I did read that they're going to have a second season because the show is doing so well. You might have seen it around on your Facebook, people talking about it. It's about a woman that moves up to, I know what it's called. It's called Virgin River. I think that's what it's called, Virgin River. And she's just, I guess you would say, a city girl that moves into, I guess, I think it's in the mountains. But yeah, I liked it just because I guess fall is coming, and when we went to Tennessee, we really liked it. And North Carolina, we've gone there and we really liked it, and Georgia. So I lived in Georgia for 1 year, but my husband missed his family, so we came back. But anyways, what do you call it? I watched that one, and when that one was over, I was like, well, what do I watch now? So then I started looking at other ones that were similar, and that one, was, when I searched for similar shows, that one was recommended. The one like When the Heart Calls, I think, something like that. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a wholesome, clean show, it's PG, it's a good show to watch. And for some reason, I don't know, yeah, what's it called? Because it's in the mountains, it does make you feel like, I don't know, for some reason mountains remind me of fall. I guess it's because the times that I've gone to visit those places are during a season. Well, to be honest, I've only gone to Tennessee for Christmas and to North Carolina as well for Christmas. So yeah. I'm just trying to watch shows that does, you know, that they're positive shows. That's what I've been trying to do, you know, like a little escape from the real world. I think I enjoy the simple life the way it was back then. It's just a slower time. I think that's something, I guess, that you start enjoying as you get older. You know, you realize how fast time starts to pass by, and you're just like, wow, where is the time going? So I think, you know, that has something to do with it. This is a pretty aloe. I just love the color. Yeah, I think that's it for that. It's getting dark, guys, so that's it. I don't even know if let me see if I can clean it up real quick and show it to you. Guys, this is where I'm going to put them for now, so hopefully they do well there. The palm tree will help a little bit, just so it doesn't get too soaked when it rains, just because it's been getting a lot of water. But yeah, I mean, I'm not worried about that one at all, just this one a little bit, because I know she's been getting a lot of rain. But that's about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.